Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing question and answers for Microsoft Azure Data Engineer Associate DP-200. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, you can download it from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is hotspot. Your company uses Azure SQL database and Azure Blob storage. All data at rest must be encrypted by using company's own key. The solution must minimize administrative effort and the impact to the application which use the database. You need to configure security. What should you implement? To answer, select the appropriate options from the answer area. Hot area. The service is Azure SQL database and the encryption test is, the options are always encrypted, cell level encryption, row level security, transparent data encryption. Next option is Azure storage. The options are Azure Disk Encryption, Secure Transport Layer Security TLS, Storage Account Keys, Default Storage Service Encryption. Now look at it and try to answer. Now the encryption at rest for the service Azure SQL database is transparent data encryption. Now the encryption at rest for the service Azure storage is storage account keys. Our next question is, you develop data engineering solution for the company. The project requires deployment of data to the Azure Data Lake storage. You need to implement role-based access control RBAC so that project members can manage the Azure Data Lake storage resources. Which three actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents the part of the solution. The options are option A, assign Azure AD security group to Azure Data Lake storage. Option B, configure end user authentication for the Azure Data Lake storage account. Option C, configure service to service authentication for the Azure Data Lake storage account. Option D, create security groups in Azure Active Directory, Azure AD and add project members. Option E, configure access control list ACL for the Azure Data Lake storage account. The correct answers are option A, D and E. Our next question is drag drop. You deploy an Azure SQL database named DB1 to an Azure SQL server named SQL1. Currently, only the server admins has access to DB1. An Azure Active Directory Azure AD group named Analyst contains all the users who must have access to DB1. You have the following data security requirements. The analyst group must have read-only access to all the views and tables in the sales schema DB1. The manager will decide who can access DB1. The manager will not interact directly with DB1. Users must not have to manage a separate password solely to access DB1. Which four actions should you perform in sequence to meet the data security requirements? To answer, move the appropriate actions from the list of action to the answer area and arrange them in correct order. Select and place. Please have a look at the actions and try to place it in the answer area. Now the answers are, from the Azure portal, set the Active Directory admins for SQL1. On DB1, create a contained user for the analyst group by using Transact SQL. From Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio (SSMS), sign in to SQL1 by using the account set as Active Directory admin. On DB1, grant the select and view definition permission on the sales schema to the analyst group user. Thank you.